let them survey. Stage 2, pre-contract negotiation. Now this is a very common scenario whereby once you go in and buy a property, you must start thinking about how to actually finalize and sign the SPA, because without the sales and purchase agreement, you cannot go and get a loan, that kind of thing, and you cannot go and get your EPF withdrawal, for example. One of the common traps is this. First of all, using common lawyer is not encouraged. First of all, for this, as lawyers would easily face a conflict of interest on who to act for. Alright? A lot of people buy property with cost in mind. So they say, maybe it's cheaper if we both use the same set of lawyer. Yes, it's cheaper. Yes, but the question is this. When the problem starts, it will be very expensive. Why? Because the lawyer do not know what to do. He cannot act for you or cannot act on the other side. And most of the time, if you let the lawyer to choose, they will actually let you sign some letters that you don't mind that this person is acting for you commonly, alright? And you also say that you will actually act for the purchaser, because under the law to say that if there is a transaction, if it's only one legal representation, that person actually acting for the purchaser, alright? So we will also put it that to caveat it. So what I'm trying to tell you is that do not use a common lawyers, because one way or another there will be some compromise, because the lawyer intention is also to close the deal, right? Because if you don't sign, you won't get his fees, right? So these are the things that actually play in their mind. When there's complications, they have to decide. Like for example, we do not need a very big complication. Just say that if there's certain delay, okay, caused by the vendor, for example, then how do you later try to resolve this problem? You get what I mean? There is some late payment interest. Do we impose or do we not impose? If I'm a lawyer acting for both, I will face a dilemma. Alright? But if I'm acting for the purchaser, I will say impose. This is the problem, you see. Or if I'm acting for no, this is not the case, then you let them sort it out. So these are the things. So before you sign SPA, you always ensure to first consult your lawyer. Your lawyer will know the usual practice in sales and purchase agreement and tell you what should be clarified with the vendor. It's very important. Alright, so you have a list of information, so you go and see them, they'll ask you all the questions to lead you to more informed